To all the people in attendance today, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I once again say, mabuhay. It feels good to be back in Otata, Manila to accept another award from the Netizens' Choice Awards. I remember standing here on this very stage, looking excited to receive my very first award. And here I am, accepting another award. I would like to quote SB19 once again, but this time I will say, Ama, salamat at ikaw ang agiman. Without his guidance, I would not be here today. I would also like to thank, I would also like to once again thank Netizens' Choice Awards, Direct Melay, Ma'am Christine, and all the people behind the scenes for the opportunity to be recognized on what I do. To the autism community, I said it before, and I'll say it again, this award is for you. And very special mention po. And to my ever-supported Tito who has been perfect attendance in my events, including this one, sinakripisyo pa naman niya ang pagpunta ng gig para dito. Let's give him another round of applause. To my mommy and tatay in Ireland who has been very supportive in my journey since day one, thank you. And finally to my fans, the CTV fam, and my colleagues at Fresh FM, thank you for your support. Let me quote SB19 again by saying, maniwala, darating ang mga biyaya, higit pa sa lahat-lahat ng nawala. Trust me in saying this, there may be people that may question my abilities, but here I am, proving you wrong. Just trust and enjoy the process. You will surely win the awards. Remember to believe in the power of your dreams and survive. Mali, hindi starstruck. No, the challenges of life. With that I say, thank you, Netizens' Choice Award. More power. Good night.